This is the Ring Pan Tilt, one of the many security cameras that I've owned. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about this one if you're thinking of buying it. Inside the box you'll find the Ring camera, a power adapter, a mounting kit, a quick start guide, a warranty document, and a little security sticker. Setting up the Ring camera is intuitive. Begin by downloading the Ring app on your smartphone. Once installed, create an account or log in if you have one already. Next, plug in the camera and hold the setup button until the lights start flashing. Open the app, select Set up a device, and follow the prompts to connect your camera to the Wi-Fi. The app will guide you through the rest, including naming your camera. Actually using the camera is straightforward. Within the app, you can view live video, adjust the camera's pan and tilt remotely, and communicate via the two-way talk feature. The Ring camera has a sleek, modern design. It measures about 5.2 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide, weighing just over a pound. The durable plastic housing feels solid and secure, while the adjustable base provides excellent stability. It's available in a clean white finish, fitting seamlessly into any room's decor, as well as starlight, charcoal, blush, and black. The lens is discreet but effective, offering a stylish yet functional look. In real-world use, the Ring camera delivers pretty impressive performance. The 1080p HD video quality provides crisp and clear images, even in low-light conditions. The camera's tilt capability allows you to pan up to 140 degrees and tilt 90 degrees, ensuring you never miss a corner of the room. It has a wide 120-degree field of view, effectively covering large areas. Additionally, the audio quality during two-way talk is really clear, allowing for smooth communication. With its modern design, easy setup, and superior performance, the Ring Pan Tilt Indoor 1080p HD camera stands out as a reliable choice for home monitoring. Whether you're checking in on pets or keeping an eye on loved ones, this camera integrates effortlessly into daily life, providing peace of mind wherever you are.